Hey guys, welcome back to NWCS, and in this video I get to show off a door that I built over in the shop. This is actually a custom door that is made of just some 1.5 inch 2x4s. Well, 2x4s that I ripped down to 1.5 inches, and then I actually skinned and lined it with T111. On the inside it has 1.5 inch insulation, the foam board, and then on the outside it has a 1x6 clear pine as a face frame, pocket screwed together with the exterior Craig screws. And then it's held together with GRK screws and 15 gauge stainless steel fasteners and liquid nail and PL premium. Those are the adhesives and fasteners of choice to make this door nice and solid. I also have it layered up with a couple coats of exterior deck stain, so I know this door is going to last an extremely long time. If you guys enjoyed and you want to see more, definitely check out my long format video. Leave a comment down below, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.